Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kulmar ini nyuan apa nama beliau bersih
Hagajinit jurep keseng samla himaling yong jaga saab lepin kre ino ya Yatra kebedan hakamadan hapanyola neng kinong penyak jaga Yatra kila Kular hakamat keseng samla bahagapor begidan hangni kin pintikna bakan omdon gejing Hylla khamtam lele la shai bade kesengi uble baginong shoshnong kilong jing seng bak kila Kularu ban om Bret Jaboh Kulmar bat shua ban mi dengan jakaru kila Kular bakin pin khoi lut plan bat kin phai ke video ban pin i baga jaka kala khoi Nalokata, kelihat ho bagi labut di kendor memperking bagi noya Yatra ki haban buat baik renti kena makan omlong kejing pentot yakiwe. Kelihat ho ru bagi labut kendor om tang panyola henry wat shadow syakran mo jimbun ru kumjo.
We have got a separate team who will be monitoring every individual who is going into the cave. He's in charge, I'm in charge there. So we'll take care. Everything. We have to take it.
Yeah, you can take it, sir. And regarding that, those
who are on pilgrimage, they'll have their breakfast, they'll walk away.
Only one more thing we want to tell you, because tomorrow it's Sunday. Just will be there, right? So tell your people, don't shout. No.
Stick instructions, sir.
That's what. So that they won't shout. And,
we know that, sir. We know that it's a holy day tomorrow. We take care, every year we take care of that. There is a template we have distributed to each and every individual. Where we have mentioned every single thing. No littering, no shouting, no use of alcohol. We don't use, but still we mention everything. So I don't have a copy of that. Every individual has been noticed. And once they arrive there, again we'll be summoning every individual.
Night time also, tomorrow morning before leaving also they'll brief them. No, don't disturb the road, don't make noise, walk peacefully, slowly, and the left side of the tomorrow.
What time will you finish?
what time will you start from there?
9, if it's rain heavy, then maybe by 10 we'll leave. But if weather is okay, then by 9 we'll leave. Then our volunteers will stay back, our cleaners will stay back. Then wrap up everything, clean everything. Then we will come and see, inspect it. Then only we will. We will call the Darbar people also come see if everything is okay. Then only we will do. Without that we will do.
Organizing committee should take responsibility.
We take
Take a close care that nothing. This is what we have distributed to every individual.
I will take it by itself. I will take the video of all the place. I will show you if you require this, how we deal the condition.
No, it should be like that. Because when we go to the everyone else also, we have to be.
That side, the roadside, this place, everything is clear.
Even on the road also, no?
They are carrying, garbage bag also. One garbage bag already sent back to Shillong. Already, whatever we did in the road, where we had food and all, everything dumped in this bag and collected in the garbage. We have 2 garbage bags.
How many percent approximately?
Here around 400, 450 along with volunteers. Before we leave, we said not a single piece is there. We carry everything. Yeah, roadside. First, those who are coming individually for picnic, we cannot. They will not stop here also.
Out here, we'll clean it and we'll send video also. Okay. We'll make a video, make sure that there is no dirty.
You don't have to worry.
No.
Everybody else will do that. We want there was all the rooms, we show them. All the Yeah. We have 15 cleaners here, and around other staff also there. Everybody will clean, everything they'll clean. Before leaving, before handing them over, we call them, show them if anything is dirty, let us know. When they are satisfied, then only we leave. Hello. Mokorwat.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra